Artificial intelligence is no longer just the shiny new toy of the tech world. It's become the backbone of modern productivity. Whether you're a student juggling deadlines, a content creator cranking out videos, a remote worker managing endless tasks, or a business owner wearing too many hats, AI can help you reclaim hours of your week and dramatically increase your output. In this guide, I'll take you through 7 AI tools I personally use every week. You'll learn exactly what each tool does, how it fits into my workflow, and how you can start using it to save time, cut stress, and get more done. And yes, there's a free downloadable PDF with all the links, pricing details, and setup tips. You can grab it via the link in the description. The 2025 AI Productivity Toolkit. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT. A few years ago, ChatGPT was mostly about answering questions and helping with writing prompts. Now, in 2025, ChatGPT agent powered by GPT-4o is a whole different beast. It's not just a chatbot, it's an autonomous assistant. Think of it like having a digital team member who never gets tired and never misses a deadline. You can give it a command like, book me a flight under $300 from New York to Miami next weekend, summarize this PDF report, and send the main points to my team via email. It can browse websites, interact with other apps, pull in real-time data, and execute step-by-step instructions without you having to micromanage. How I use it. When I get a 10-page research report, I don't skim it anymore. I simply upload the PDF, tell ChatGPT agent to summarize key points for a non-technical audience, and it delivers a clear, digestible summary. If I've just finished a meeting, I can paste in the transcript and have it draft the meeting notes and action items instantly. Why it's worth it. You'll need the Pro plan for the most advanced features, but honestly, it pays for itself. If this tool saves you even an hour per week, it's worth the price. And for me, it easily saves several hours every single day.
Notion AI, or if ChatGPT agent is the executor, Notion AI is the organizer. Notion by itself is already an amazing productivity tool. It's like a digital workspace where you can take notes, manage projects, and collaborate with teams, but when you add AI, it transforms into a creative and strategic partner. Inside Notion, you can simply type Ask AI and give it a task. For example, turn a messy collection of bullet points into a polished project outline. Rewrite a paragraph to sound more persuasive. Summarize a 2,000-word article into 5 bullet points. How I use it: for brainstorming YouTube scripts, I dump raw ideas into Notion, then ask Notion AI to structure them into sections with headings. For client work, I'll paste in research notes and have it organize them into a business roadmap. Even my personal journal entries get an occasional AI refresh to pull out recurring themes or track my goals. The beauty is you never have to leave Notion. The AI is built right in. That means no constant switching between apps, which is a huge time saver.
3. Descript.
If you're a YouTube creator, podcaster, or anyone who deals with audio video, you need Descript. Instead of scrubbing through a timeline and manually cutting clips, you edit your video by editing text. Here's how it works. You upload your video or audio file, Descript transcribes it, and you simply edit the text. Delete a sentence in the transcript, that part of the video is gone. Want to remove filler words like you know, or awkward pauses? One click and they're gone. Bonus features I love: overdub, clone your own voice and fix mistakes without re-recording. Auto captions, generate captions instantly for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Auto resizing, change your video format from landscape to vertical in seconds. How it saves me time: on my faceless YouTube channel, editing used to take hours. Now I can go from raw recording to final cut in under an hour. For short form content, it's even faster.
4. Grammarly AI.
Most people know Grammarly for catching typos and grammar mistakes, but in 2025, Grammarly AI is a full-fledged writing partner. With Grammarly Go, you can rewrite awkward sentences for clarity, shift tone, make text more formal, casual, or persuasive, generate outlines for blog posts, scripts, or emails. How I use it: if I've drafted a YouTube script, Grammarly helps me tighten the pacing.
5. Otter AI. Meetings, brainstorming sessions, interviews. These moments are packed with valuable information, but if you're busy writing notes, you miss half of it. That's where Otter AI comes in. Otter listens in real time, transcribes everything, and even identifies different speakers. At the end of the session, it gives you a searchable transcript complete with summaries and highlighted key points. How I use it: when I have a Zoom call with a collaborator, Otter joins the call, records and transcribes automatically. Later, I can turn those notes into a blog post, a script, or a to-do list without listening to the whole recording. For students, consultants, and content creators, this means no more frantic note-taking and no more losing ideas because you couldn't write fast enough. 6. Reclaim AI. If you've ever looked at your calendar and thought, when am I supposed to actually work? You'll appreciate Reclaim AI. This tool integrates with your Google Calendar and automatically reserves time for deep work, breaks, meals, exercise, and even personal habits. How it works: you set your priorities and availability, and Reclaim AI rearranges your schedule to make it happen. Got a last-minute meeting? Reclaim shifts your deep work block to another time slot. Need to prepare for a presentation? It makes sure you have focus time blocked before the deadline. Why it matters: most productivity problems aren't about lack of effort. They're about poor time protection. Reclaim AI ensures your most important tasks get done without you manually moving things around. 7. Tab 9. For anyone who writes code, whether you're building websites, automating tasks, or experimenting with hobby projects, Tab 9 is like having an experienced developer whispering suggestions in your ear. It works right inside your code editor, like VS Code, and offers instant code completions based on context, full function suggestions that save you from writing repetitive boilerplate code, bug explanations to help you understand errors faster. How it helps me? I'm not a full-time programmer, but when I need to automate something for my business, Tab 9 speeds things up by 30 to 50%. For beginners, it's also a great way to learn by seeing code suggestions in real time. Putting it all together, these 7 AI tools aren't just shiny distractions, they're part of my daily workflow. Here's a quick example of how they work together. Reclaim AI protects my morning for deep work. I open Notion AI to organize script ideas. ChatGPT Agent researches and summarizes relevant articles. I draft the script, then run it through Grammarly AI for polishing, record the video, upload to Descript for fast editing, use Otter.ai to capture and repurpose any live discussions or interviews related to the topic. If I need automation in the process, Tab 9 helps me code it. The result? A high-quality video goes from concept to publish in a fraction of the time it used to take. Conclusion: the workplace and the way we work has changed dramatically in just a few years. In 2025, AI is no longer optional for staying competitive. Whether you're running a business, studying for exams, creating content, or just trying to get more out of your day, these tools can help you do more with less effort. You don't have to use them all at once. Start with 1 or 2 that address your biggest pain points. Maybe that's time management, content creation, or writing, and build from there. I've put all my setup tips, pricing breakdowns, and quick start guides into a free PDF, the 2025 AI Productivity Toolkit. Grab it from the description, try the tools that resonate with you, and watch your productivity skyrocket.